The YouTube thumbnail is an important part of your video. It helps to attract the attention of viewers and decides whether people will watch your video or not. In this video, you will learn how to add a thumbnail to a YouTube video in just a few simple steps. First of all, open up any browser that you like and then go to youtube.com and then log into your YouTube channel. After that, click on your channel icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then from this menu, click on YouTube Studio. So in order to add custom thumbnails to your YouTube videos, you need to verify your channel. So click on Settings at the bottom left of the screen, and then click on Channel, and then go over to Feature Eligibility, and then click on Intermediate Features. You need to verify your phone number. So I have a step-by-step tutorial showing you how to verify your YouTube channel. If you have not already confirmed your phone number and verified your YouTube channel, I'll put a link in the description so that you can watch it and verify your account. Once you have verified your account, head over to YouTube Studio and then click on Content on the left side of the screen. It will show you all of the videos that are on your channel. So, if you want to add a thumbnail to any of these videos, click on the video title. And as you can see, there is the thumbnail section. And over here are the thumbnails that YouTube automatically pre-selected from the video itself. So if you want to add a custom thumbnail, click on Upload Thumbnail, then select your custom thumbnail, then click Open. And then click on Save at the top right. And boom, that's how you add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube video. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.